Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Abhimanyu Sofat of IIFL is also with us. Abhimanyu, hi, good morning. The stock of the week, undoubtedly on the downside, has been Ashok Leyland. It's lost 20% this week. You think it's a good time for retail investors to buy in, or would you stay away?
Yeah, so I think so if you look at the announcement which has come from the government, I think so the volume-based truck demand is unlikely to be not impacted that much. So overall, we estimate that the overall impact could be somewhere close to around 30,000 odd vehicles, demand coming down with this 15% increase in loading, which is over a 2-year period, roughly around 4% of overall reduction in demand for the industry. Having said that, I think so if you look at the valuation now, the stock is close to around 14x, which looks quite decent, from a historical perspective, vis-a-vis, what kind of growth can happen in the company. So I think so, considering that you are going to have new scrappage policy in 2021, and before that, because of the changes, what government is saying, higher cost for new commercial vehicles. I think so the prospects going forward are quite decent for Ashok Leyland. So one can look at buying the stock in this correction, considering that there were some production related issues also in the last quarter. So going forward, there could be some market share gains for the company as well.
Hi Abhimanyu, good morning. Vertical fall for Mindtree, down 9% despite decent set of earnings. How would you approach that stock now?
So I think so, it was quite weird that the management talked about a $20 million, to be put for CSR. The amount looked pretty high to us. So overall, if you look at the numbers, there was no issue in terms of the growth, significantly surpassing the estimates of the analysts. However, I think so people are quite concerned about this CSR spend which the company is talking about. From a valuation perspective anyway, the stock was trading at a higher multiple to even the larger boys like Infosys and in fact TCS also. So I think so if the stock corrects to somewhere close to around 750, 800, so that could be a good opportunity to look at re-entering the stock. But this is a concern where you have seen a substantial increase in terms